Welcome. In front of me is a ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen, and that's already open and visible on my screen. Once whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You get the sound along the pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment this pop-up will disappear. When it does so, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application, and it will appear right here somewhere at the very top, and it will also give you the screenshot album name right here, which you can tap on, and this will take you to the album which contains only screenshots and nothing else. And here is one that I have captured. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.